In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unenroll from a course in Coursera. Navigating through Coursera to unenroll from a course has changed a bit over time, and in this walkthrough, we'll explore the current method step by step. Previously, you might recall that Coursera offered an option to unenroll from a course directly through the My Learning section. You could simply click on the three little dots next to your course and select the unenroll option. However, that straightforward method has been updated and the process has shifted slightly. But don't worry, it's still fairly simple, and I'm here to guide you through it. To begin with, what you'll want to do is head over to your profile section on Coursera. Once you're there, look for the tab labeled My Purchases. This tab is your central hub for all your active subscriptions and courses, so it's where we'll focus our attention today. After you click on My Purchases, you'll be presented with a list of all your active subscriptions and courses. This is where you can manage them effectively. To unenroll from a specific course, you'll need to find the course name or the subscription you're currently involved with. Be sure you click on Cancel Subscription. Now, this might sound a bit confusing if you're only looking to unenroll from one course because the term subscription can imply multiple courses. But rest assured, clicking here covers individual courses too. Once you've clicked Cancel Subscription, another prompt will appear. This might be a bit repetitive, but it's important. Coursera wants to ensure that your decision to unenroll or cancel is intentional, so they give you a second chance to confirm. This is where you'll see a message asking if you're sure you wish to unenroll or cancel the subscription. It's just a precautionary step to make sure everything is crystal clear before proceeding. After you've confirmed your choice, you'll have successfully unenrolled from the course. This process ensures that you're fully aware and satisfied with your decision. Remember, if there are any issues or you encounter an unexpected problem, you can always reach out to Coursera's support team for further assistance. And there you have it, your complete guide to unenrolling from a course on Coursera under the new setup. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clearer and easier for you. Remember, keeping track of your courses and subscriptions is always a good practice, and knowing how to manage them efficiently can enhance your learning experience on platforms like Coursera. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy learning.